In this video, we are going to learn how can we handle this corner radius throughout the application, like in this card, in this chip, or in this bottom sheet, or how can we handle the different shapes into the material tree. So, hey everyone, my name is Ankur Padhyay and welcome to the Ankur Code. In previous videos, we already learned about the how can we create a material tree theme and how can we integrate the typography into it. If you are interested to learn this, you can find the link into the description. In this video, we are going to learn how can we integrate the shape into our material tree. So let's get started. So I already created a basic project. In this, I already create a basic structure. So let me show you that what we have to do. First, we have to go in our theme. So that's a theme that I created. So what we can do for the simplicity, we have already available theme which is called my latest project, which is my project name. So I just integrate this theme, my latest project, and in this theme, because I want the bigger font size, so I just integrate the my typography in which I already add the font sizes and the different fonts. So you can learn in my previous video how can we use it. I already use the colors, and in this I have to use the shapes. So before that, first we learn how can we change or create this background shape. So let's see. Let me go this project, and as you know that I just created a scaffold. In that I've just used a top bar. In this top bar I have used a action. So let me create this action again so you can understand that. So icon button, in this I just create the on click. I don't want to show anything into the on click, so that's why I define anything. Just define the icon. That's the person icon. Let's consider as a user. Define some modifier into it. Modifier dot, because we have to set a clip which required a shape. Okay, so for if you want to explore these shapes, you can just find the Google shape library. So if you go back and you just need to search the material tree shapes, and in this you can find the different kind of shapes available into the material tree. So the shapes are available into the material shapes dot. So as you can see, we have the different kind of shapes. So I'm used the ghostish, and after that we have to call the method called the to shape. So if you go to the site, you can find all possible kind of shapes, and you have to option the experimental API because it's currently in experimental, and currently it's had a white background, so I have to change the background as well. So let's change the background, and in the background I'm just use the material theme dot color scheme dot primary container. So that's our color. Let's run this. Till then, let's see. Our shape is not loaded due to some internet issues, I think. And if you go to that site, you can find all of the possible shapes. Okay, currently it's not opening. I will provide a link into the description for that. Okay, as you can see, this shape is changed. After that, let me change this filter curve or the corner radius for this. So first of all, we have to use the shape, and in this shape we have the shapes, and in these shapes for this chip we have to use the small and use the rounded corner shape. And so I will give like 32, so it will take the maximum curve it can take. So let's run this. After that, you can see all possible shapes that presented in that, like small, medium, extra large, large. So as you can see, this get the more curve. Okay. After that, we have a medium. Medium is used for these cards. Okay. So you don't need to manually set to the particular every card. That will set to every card if you are not set already. So let me run again, and you can see this card is have more curve. So after running this, as you can see, this has a more curve. So how can you handle it? And we have a bottom sheet as well. And rather than this bottom sheet, we can also have the this apply for the other dialogues as well, for the dialogue builders. So let's use the extra large rounded corner shape and use the 32 dp same, and we can see the curve. Let's see, is it okay? Yeah, it's open. My internet is very slow. So as you can see, there's a different kind of shapes: circle, square, salted arc. So whatever the shapes you want, you can use it directly over this. Okay, over this material shape class. Okay, let's go to the theme again and click on that. So it's not showing any major changes because it's already take I think 32. So let's make it a very small so you can see the curve had changes, and we give the less curve. So as you can see, curve is not more mostly visible. So that's how you can change into the corner radius using the material tree. So thank you so much everyone. If you have any questions, any suggestions, you can ask me into the comments. So have a great day.